Hello, everybody. Ken Oliver here. And I'm really excited because it's almost time for the August One of a Kind Craft Along. And I'm making a kit this time that I know you're going to love. It's a kit where we'll make 4 vintage tags. And this kit is curated with some special things that I've selected just for the One of a Kind Craft Along. It's going to include some vintage ephemera that's got some birds and some eggs in it. Really cute. It's going to have vintage book pages. Enough vintage book pages to make 4 tags. Tags come with it. Also, it's going to come with a jar of matte gel medium from the Crafters Workshop. This is the magic that makes mixed media work. There are going to be some trims, gorgeous brown net trim. I'll show you how to do some fun things with this. There's going to be ample trim to trim your tags. Also some gorgeous lace trim and probably a couple of other goodies I'll throw in there. Now these kits are going to be ready to ship on July 26th. So get ready because the one of a kind craft along for August is coming up and I can hardly wait. I'll see you then.
It's Tanya with Riley & Company here to give you a quick little sneak peek of our class along kit for August. Now, we at Riley & Company, we're just a little bit behind, so instead of having Christmas in July, we're going to have Christmas in August instead. So this kit is going to help you get ahead on your Christmas cards just a tad. We're using this gorgeous Echo Park 6x6 paper pad, which is included in your kit. It has amazing colors and papers in here. I love this pad so much. And look at these cards that we will be doing during the class along. If kisses were snowflakes, I would send you a blizzard. How cute is that? Love this. Santa told me you've been good this year. I told him it was just a lack of opportunity. Rudolph. Ha! This is going to be so much fun. And finally, for anyone else that's getting cold for Christmas, maybe we can hook up and get the grill going or something. Love this. Huge thank you to Dolores for making these amazing samples for the kits. Make sure you head to RileyandCompanyOnline.com to grab your kit, and we will see you during the craft along. And don't forget, we will be giving away lots of prizes as we usually do for commenting. So make sure you get in on the fun. Thanks so much. Have a great day.
From Be Creative, back in the One of a Kind group with another fun project kit that you can purchase for the upcoming event. Let's get right into it. The theme is blooms and blending. We'll be creating these 2 cards during the craft along, and they are all about technique. You know I love technique. Lots of stamping, ink blending, and embellishing. Plus, we'll even chat about heat embossing. Here is the kit that you can purchase. It comes complete with this adorable stamp set, and you can use it in so many ways. You'll also get 2 card bases, 2 sheets of white cardstock, a thinking of you sentiment, pop-up foam squares, an adhesive runner, a quick dry black ink pad, a Uniball Signo white pen, and a mini blending brush, all for a fantastic price so you can create with me and still have plenty of goodies to utilize in other cards or layouts. All you're going to need here is some ink to do some blending. So here are some other ideas of what you can do with this stamp set. There's so many unique ideas that you can try. So be sure to grab a kit at www.shopbecreative.com, and that's B with 2 E's, and you can be creative with me and make these adorable cards in the next event.
Looking to learn some new folding techniques? Is inflation getting to you? Well, Craft Fancy has the cure. Join us on 8/12/2023 in the One of a Kind group for our class, Friendship Fun Fold Technique Card Class. For $20, yes, I said $20, you'll be able to make 3 wonderful cards using various folding techniques. The custom kit includes the following products: Best Friends Clear Stamp and Magnolia Grove 6x6 paper pad. Cardstocks, die cuts, and envelopes are included to create 1 card each of the design for 3 cards in total. Remember though, at Craft Fancy, adhesives are not included. You will also need these additional products, which you might already have, to complete the project: black stamping ink pad, liquid and double-sided adhesives, foam tape, trimmers, and scissors. So be sure to join us on Saturday, 8/12/2023, live in the One of a Kind group as we go for our Friendship Fun Fold Technique class for only $20. Get it on order. Get it today. I'm going to see you on 8/12. Don't delay.